click proceed. And I'm just going to wait here again, give it a minute until this is going to be a long upgrade, because this particular plugin is a large size plugin. So let's leave it to do that, and we'll come back when it's done. While that's happening, though, I'm just going to mention briefly the second option of installing plugins. Like I mentioned earlier, there's another way to install plugins if you're unable to do it through this way. And the second way is basically you're going to have to go through the process of copying and pasting the plugin on the back end of the website. And to do that, let me just quickly show you how to do that. So you open a new browser, and I'm just going to type www.stgeorgephilly, and I'm just going to type cpanel at the end. This is the control panel of the website, and there's a username and password that you need to have here as well. We're going to provide that to you. But once you log in, you're going to see this nice interface here. Click on the File Manager. This is the back end of the website. This is basically bypassing everything and going to the files. Just double click on our website files here, STG and EN, and then content and plugins. And under here you can see all the plugin folders. Okay. The next step you need to do is go to the WordPress site. So I'm just going to go to WordPress, and I'm going to look for a plugin called Smooth Slider, the same plugin that we installed, just to show you another way of doing it. And I'm just going to click on this link here to go to the download page. And this is the download page for that plugin. If you want to download it directly, you'll notice here there's a link to download. Click on that link, and it's going to give you a zip file. You save that file to your desktop or whatever. And when you're done, basically go back to the cPanel file manager, and then upload. Make sure you're under the plugins directory on the site, which is right here. This is the path for it, and then upload that zip file. Okay, which is smooth. I have it here. Right here. So I'm just going to double click on that, and it says start uploading. Once that says 100% complete, you can close this window and go back to here and refresh, reload. You'll notice that it put that zip file there. And then the next step you're going to do is you're going to check this to make sure you checked it, and then click on the extract at the top. I'm not going to do that because I already have Smooth Slider, but once you're done with the extract, it's going to create this folder right here, and it's going to be called Smooth Slider. And you go back then to the website, and under the plugins, you're going to find it in the list, and just next to it, underneath it, you're going to find a link that says Activate. Click on that link to activate the plugin. So this is kind of the long way of installing plugins in case the first way doesn't work. Okay, just going to go ahead and delete that zip file because we don't need it right now. Let me just go back and double check on. Okay, the plugin is still going, so I'm just going to wait for that. Okay, and as you see here, the plugin the upgrade of the plugin has completed. It says upgrade plugin, downloading, updates, unpacking, installing, deactivating the old one, removing the old version, plugin upgraded successfully, attempting to reactivate, and plugin reactivated successfully. This is very important to see that. And that's it. You're done. This is an automated plugin update, and click on Return to Plugins page, and you'll notice that there is no longer a 1 next to the plugins, which means everything is up to date, which is great. It's always good to be up to date. One last point here I want to make is that most of the time, if you run into issues with plugins, the safest thing to do would be to deactivate the plugin and then reactivate it. So to deactivate it, click on deactivate and reactivate. It doesn't really hurt anything by deactivating and reactivating a plugin. I'll just show you how to do that. Click on deactivate to deactivate smooth slider, and then again once you do that, you'll notice here it says activate again. Click on activate, it will reactivate it. That's always a safe case. Any problems, you'll notice a lot of strange things happening especially if you try to do like WordPress upgrades or any major changes to the site, to the site infrastructure. You may need to do the deactivate and reactivate. WordPress always recommends doing that. Alright, that's it for this tutorial on plugins. I hope you enjoyed it, and keep your eye out for other tutorials. Thanks. Bye.